It may seem out of reach or overwhelming to invest in multifamily property these days, but it can be one of the most rewarding ways to invest in real estate. Welcome to Bigger Basics, sponsored by my friends at Rent to Retirement. I'm Matt Faircloth, and I've been investing in real estate for almost 20 years. I can't wait to talk to you guys about multifamily. But before I do that, I want to talk to you guys about my friends at Rent to Retirement, who's sponsoring this program today about multifamily. Rent to Retirement is the premier turnkey operator all across the country, and they've got incentives right now that are going to allow you to buy turnkey rentals, new construction turnkey rentals in a lot of different markets. And they've got tens of thousands of dollars in incentives coming your way for under limited time now if you guys want to buy a turnkey rental property through Rent to Retirement. Here's a few options you guys can pick from. Option number one, $20,000 off of the purchase price of a new construction rental property from Rent to Retirement. Option number two, get a credit from Rent to Retirement for 5% off your down payment. They'll pay 5% of your down payment to own a new construction rental property. How cool is that? This next one I can't believe. 3.99% interest rate that Rent to Retirement's going to get you. Where else are you going to get 3.99%? Rent to Retirement's where you're going to get it. So they can give you a 3.99% interest rate as an option when you buy a rental property through Rent to Retirement today. The fourth option here is no money down. You hear a lot of people talking about no money down. Very few people are actually able to make it happen. Rent to Retirement can help you make no money down happen for a turnkey rental property today. And that is one of the four options they have for you guys. You guys want to go right now to renttoretirement.com. That's renttoretirement.com, or text the word REI to 33777. That is 33777 to take advantage of these limited time incentives from my friends at Rent to Retirement. All right, guys, now let's talk about multifamily real estate investing. Now, real quick, let me define what multifamily is and what it's not. Multifamily, in my definition, and most people that talk about multifamily, is 5 units under one roof or more. The reason why it's not 4 units and down is because there are a lot of incentive programs and a lot of people consider 4 units and less residential housing. Why? Because you can live in one of those units and achieve an FHA or Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac mortgage, or for an owner-occupied property. You can do owner-occ on 1, of course, 2, 3, and 4 unit properties. So the buying pool that's people who want to buy some of those properties, and those properties that people get compared to are properties that are, sometimes owner-occupied properties. It's very hard for an owner to occupy a 5, 6, 7, or 10 unit property. I mean, you can, but you're not going to get mortgage incentives for anything above 5. So that's why multifamily properties or getting into commercial residential real estate is 5 units and above. And that's what we're going to be talking about in today's conversation. As you know, multifamily real estate has changed a ton in the last couple of years. Interest rates have gone up, rents have gone up, but rents are also starting to come back down a little bit. Some markets have gotten crazy competitive, and some markets are perhaps overlooked. But now I'm going to be outlining how you guys can find success in multifamily real estate investing in today's deals, considering interest rates, considering competition, considering all the problems that face multifamily real estate investing. I'm going to give you guys 3 key tips in today's video on how you guys can be successful, if not even thrive, in multifamily real estate investing in today's marketplace. You guys ready? Get your pens out. Here we go. The 3 M's that I want you guys to remember for success in multifamily real estate investing, right? The first M is money. Now, as you guys know, I wrote the book, Raising Private Capital for BiggerPockets. In that book, I talk a lot about building your money relationships. Do not be one of those real estate investors that are out there that finds a deal and then starts raising capital from their network once they've got the deal under contract. I can tell you that you're not going to have enough time to get those in your network excited about your deal and ready to invest if you start conversations with them once you're under contract. So begin your money conversations now. Right after they watch this video, go call a few money people and tell them about the markets you're shopping in. Tell them about real estate investing. Tell them why real estate investing is so amazing. Maybe send them a few videos from BiggerPockets or send them some blog articles from BiggerPockets to help them get educated on why multifamily investing is such a phenomenal vehicle for them to build their passive income and their passive wealth through investing in your company. My book, Raising Private Capital, talks all about how to have those conversations and how to find those people in your own network. Those people that I'm talking about that are willing to invest in your deals are in your cell phones right now. So pick up your cell phones, pick up a copy of my book, Raising Private Capital through BiggerPockets, and begin those conversations today. That, guys, is the first M, and that is money. The way you're going to be successful is having that money teed up as you start looking at deals. The second M for success in multifamily investing in today's marketplace is market. I can tell you in the past what might have worked is just looking for any deal that meets a certain cap rate requirement, looking for any deal that meets certain criteria you may have, looking all across the United States, because just, you throw a hook into the water and a good deal comes out. I can promise you that is not, as you guys probably know, that is not the way the world is working in today's multifamily investing market. What you guys need to do is to niche down. Riches in the niches, that concept has never been truer than today's multifamily real estate investing market. What I want you guys to do is to pick not 10, not 5, not 2, one market that you want to pick as your investing playground, and then drill into that market. Get to know all the brokers that are there that are selling multifamily properties. Maybe even get to know who the owners are. If you live near that market, start going to RIA meetings and meetups and stuff like that. If there's not a meetup, make one, to get to know all the people that are players in the multifamily world of the market that you've chosen. And then even get to know the good neighborhoods, bad neighborhoods. As you plug yourself in, you're going to be made aware of more and more deals. Make sure that the people that you talk to know about the money that you got teed up that's ready to come into the multifamily world as soon as you find a deal. It is what I've seen already happening, and it's going to happen way more as multifamily market continues to change. There's going to be more distressed deals or more off-the-market deals that get sold in specific markets in the United States. These deals are not going to be mass marketed on the internet, put on LoopNet, not everybody in the whole world knowing about them. The only people that are going to know about these deals are those that are going to be super plugged in on a micro level. That could be you. If you put your blinders on and focus on just that one market and get to know all the different brokers, all the players in that market that are going to come to you and say, hey, this bank is looking to foreclose on this property. Are you looking to buy it? Or, hey, I heard this owner down the street here is in distress and they're looking to get a creative offer. This person over here has been in the business for way too long and wants to retire, is looking to do some seller financing. All those things happen when you drill and plug into a specific market. So that's the tip for the second M for success in multifamily, guys, is to be uber market centric, put your blinders on and get to know that market like the back of your hand. The third M for success in multifamily investing in today's market is management. And that's the one that's kind of like the dark horse. Nobody really talks about that one very much. People think management's just a given, that I'll find a property and I'll just find the local property management company and hand the keys to them. Wrong. That's not going to happen. Take it from someone who's hired the wrong property manager. I've hired property managers that were really better at running small single-family homes, and I've asked them to run larger multifamily. They didn't do too well. You've got to find a property. Not all property managers are made alike. You got to find the property manager that fits the buy box that you're shopping in. So if you're looking for, let's say for fun, 10 to 30 unit apartment buildings, you got to find the property manager that already runs properties like that in the market that you're shopping in. So once you've got your money teed up, once you've got your market chosen, drill into that market and find the right property manager to manage the asset specifically that you're thinking of, right? They may already know properties that are coming on the market for sale very soon. They may have clients that they currently manage for looking to sell that are aging out of the business, and that may be an introduction they can make. And thirdly, they might already own properties themselves. We bought properties at our company, the DeRosa Group, from property management companies. You guys could do the same thing. And property managers can also tell you, yeah, you want to stay away from that neighborhood, or you might want to look toward this neighborhood. They can also introduce you to brokers. Property managers are like the best kept secret of multifamily investing because they can be phenomenal referral partners. They can also keep you out of trouble. And once you're under contract on a deal, a property manager, the right PM company, will come in and help inspect that property and make sure that everything looks good and the way that you want it to be once you take ownership. So having that third M lined up of management is key once you guys start finding deals, or once you have referrals for deals that you guys are looking to do, or maybe even tuned into off the market stuff that may be coming down the pipeline. Those are the 3 M's for scaling up in the multifamily investment space. Now, going back to scaling up, if you guys want to scale up and diversify in other types of asset classes, I cannot recommend my friends at Rent to Retirement enough. So go to rent2retirement.com and hear all the things they have to offer, including those 4 options that I outlined before on phenomenal things that they can give you to help you really juice your returns and get to the next level and turnkey rentals all across the United States. That's everything I've got to tell you today. If you guys want to learn more about multifamily investing, and I'm sure you probably have lots of questions, and that's cool. I got your back. You got questions, I got answers. Leave your questions in the comments section below. And do us a favor here at BiggerPockets. If you guys like this video, do us a favor and give it a thumbs up, like this video, right? And subscribe to this channel so you can hear all the cool stuff that BiggerPockets has coming down the pipeline for you and education products on this YouTube channel. If you guys want to hear more about me or connect with me, go to BiggerPockets.com and look at my profile. I am Matt Faircloth. My company is the DeRosa Group, and we would love to hear from you guys. Thank you from here at BiggerPockets for watching this video. We will see you next time.